Welcome back to WordPress 101. This video is sponsored by Graph Paper Press, who create killer WordPress themes for photographers and artists. As a bonus for WP 101 members, enter coupon code WP101 and instantly save 25%. In this video, we're going to explore how to insert photos and images into your posts and pages. To get started, we'll select the All Posts subpanel and then choose an existing post to edit. Rocket-powered roller skates looks good to me. So let's click the edit link to open this post in the editor. Now let's insert a photo to help give this page a little more visual interest. To insert an image file, first we'll place the cursor at the location within the post where we want the image to appear. Next, we'll click the Add Image button. It's the first one in the series. Now we're given a few options. We can add an image from our own computer, from a URL on the web, or from our media library. So for now, I'll choose from computer. On my desktop, I have a JPEG ready to go. So we'll select this image, and the uploader will automatically transfer the image from our computer's hard drive to the web server that hosts our site. And when it's done uploading, we can give it a title, set the alternate text to display in place of the image in browsers that don't support images, or when the user has chosen to disable them, add a caption, and even a description. We can also make this image a link so that when folks click on this image, they'll be taken to a destination of our choice. We can create a link to the full-size version of the file itself, or to view the file on its own page within our site. Or we can actually type in or paste an address to any website that we choose. For example, we could have this photo linked to acme.com so that when a visitor clicks on the image of our roller skating coyote, they would be taken to that site. For now, I'll just click on File URL, which will take them to the full-sized version of this image. We can choose to align this image to the left side of our content, which would cause the text to wrap around the right side of the image, or to the center or right, which would flow text to the left of our image. Let's choose right. Next, we can choose which size image we'd like to use in the post. By default, WordPress automatically creates a thumbnail, medium, large, and full-size version of your image when you upload it. In this case, the file that we uploaded was too small to have a large version. The full size is only 600 pixels by 400 pixels roughly. But even that's a little too large for our post. So let's select the medium size and then click Insert into Post. All right, now here's our image automatically inserted and floating to the right side of our post. And because we gave it a caption of Acme Skates, you can see there's a light gray border around the outside edge of the image, and our caption appears just underneath the image. We can change these settings at any time by simply selecting the picture and then clicking the Edit button to enter the image editing view, where we can update the settings once again. You'll notice that this time the panel has changed. Now we have the option of resizing this image by selecting a percentage of its current size. At this point, we can also change the alignment or edit the title, alternative text, caption, and link URL. And under the Advanced Settings tab, we can change the source URL or manually edit the size of the image. If you're comfortable with CSS, then you can add or override the CSS class for this image, or even enter CSS instructions directly into the Styles field. Under Image Properties, we can add a border around our image. And we can add additional padding to the left and right or top and bottom of this image. And lastly, under the Advanced Link Settings, we can assign a separate title for the link itself, choose a link relationship, add additional CSS, or even choose to open the link in a new window when they click on our image. So let's click Update. And now, when we view our post, we'll see our image in the post with a nice black border, and we know that when our visitors click this image, they'll be taken to the full-size version of this image in a new tab or window in their browser. In the next video, we're going to talk about one of the most popular topics among bloggers, and that's how to insert video into your posts and pages. Be sure to check out the killer WordPress themes for photographers and artists at graphpaperpress.com. And don't forget to enter your coupon code WP101 to instantly save 25% on your purchase. Stay tuned to WP101.com for more WordPress tutorials, and thanks again for watching.